So hey everyone, so some of you guys may know me as Vinny, and some of you guys may know me as Mr. B, depending if you've ever taken one of my cosmetology lectures or demos or have had me as a sub in a cosmetology class. Anyhow, I had a good idea to start doing videos kind of summarizing and discussing each chapter of the lovely Milady cosmetology textbook. So this edition, I don't know the exact number because there's so many, but this is the second to newest edition. This is the edition that I was taught on, and this is the edition that a lot of cosmetology schools still use. There is the newer edition that came out last year. That's I think it's a black cover, and it has like all kinds of model photos. Basically, they are one and the same. If you guys really want me to, I might review that one chapter-wise. But to keep things simple, I'm going to go through this book, each chapter. I'm going to try to keep these videos very brief, no more than 20-25 minutes. If I go over, I might just break it up into two parts, especially for the perming and the color chapter, because those tend to be very dense, as is the hair cutting. But I really want to give you guys a good understanding of cosmetology topics and break things down, because I know that it is a lot of information, especially if you are just taking a cosmetology class. Each state has their own set of regulations, so you know, if you're doing this as a continuing education thing, it might be you only have 9 months to cram all of these 20-something chapters in, take your state board, and then your practical, which is a lot. I know I've done it myself while I was in full-time work and full-time school, but I want to make that easier for you guys. I'm going to try to keep things simple, try to give you guys my own experience, to give you guys stories, because I find that when we use stories, we tend to learn better, and the concepts tend to stick better. And to maybe even point out that some of the things in the book may not be exactly true, or they may not work as you expect. So what else? I also want to tell you guys that if you guys are taking a cosmetology class and you're using this book, also see if you can go on your own on textbooks.com and get the chemical service guide that comes along with this. It doesn't have to be this exact one, but there are there's a color and chemical services one, a hairstyling one, and a haircutting one. And these are guides that actually teach you different hairstyles and haircuts, and it will help you in the long run. So with that being said, these videos are to give you guys an idea of what the chapter is and maybe help you digest it better. So you still have to read the chapter, so nice try for those of you that thought you don't have to read. You still have to read. Reading is important. This video can also help, let's say if there's a snow day and you miss out on the lecture, or you're sick for a few weeks with the flu or something. It will give you an idea of what to expect, so when you come back to class you're not completely, you know, flabbergasted. So, I wanted to just welcome you all, and I will be posting again with the Chapter 1, Intro to Cosmetology.